Victor, the DNA Health Chef, and welcome back to another great, easy recipe with the DNA Health Air Fryer. So on the menu for today, a very simple, easy to follow pizza. Start off by laying your tray over the pizza base. So over there, cut one side, two side, three side, four sides. And we have now a pizza base the size of our oven rack. You will have to make a tomato sauce or buy one. In this case, I've made one can of tomatoes, half a red onion, and also 2 cloves of garlic. Chop that up, fried it off in the pan, just reduce it till it's a nice thick consistency, and that's going to be your tomato sauce. Step 1, put your tomato sauce onto your pizza base. You don't have to go too heavy or else your base will go soggy, but as you can see, it is a nice quick spread across so that we don't have those juices going into our pizza base. Try and get it closer to the edges. And there you have it. Our next step, add the cheese. Spread it also evenly around your base. And now it's time for your air fryer to do the work. Open your oven, and the most important part is to put your oven tray right at the bottom, close to the element. The reason for that is so it crisps up the base at the bottom and also getting the convection heat pushing down onto the cheese, so to get your perfect crusty pizza. Oven on, push menu all the way to pizza option, that is 180 degrees for 10 minutes. Push on, there you have it. Timer is up. Get your pizza out of the oven. Simply slide it onto your board. Finish it off with some fresh basil. And there you have it.